Finish it all up.
The Mazda doing bits for me. Got the brand new headlights. Got the bumper in there, hubcaps. Looking alright. First time looking at the headlights. This old mate's already seen them, he ordered them. I have not. What do we pay for these? 150 Australian dollars. Look at that. That is mick. Perfect, exactly what we need. Comes with the indicators as well. And that'll just go straight in. Complete the car way better. Alright, so we've put all this shit out the front. Airbox, clutch fan, horn, Ford logo, window wipers, you name it, it's there. Timing cover, which I'm really happy about. And that's the stuff we bought. The bumper and the lights, the bumper's second hand. And then that should complete up the engine bay. Looks alright though. Got it all there. Just gonna install it. Just go up to. Oh, alright. Got the pressure washer. And
That's fucking having a good time.
we're gonna pressure wash the car later, but we gotta do the engine bay anyway. Time to pressure wash the block. Alright, she's all wet and kind of clean. Hasn't been touched in 25 years. Mate, this guy's immaculate job.
Clean.
With our Karcher pressure washer. But yeah, there you go. Time to put all this in it. And whatever this guy's got going on. What do you got going on here?
Fancy fucking screws. Screws, mate. Some fucking screws, mate.
Alright, just putting a few things together. Just chucked a shitty old battery in it. And then the water thingo. This guy's working out the, what's it called? Fuck, what's it called? Water?
It's washable reservoir and coolant overflow.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's 2 in 1.
Yeah.
Mad. This guy's doing the lighting as well for the headlights.
Sick.
Which will be connected. With our beautiful stand here. See how this comes out. Complete it up a bit. I'm with that.
Not too bad.
Trying to stick the wires in.
Yep, just using a fucking screwdriver to put wires in.
Oh yeah, is that
Yep.
right?
Yeah, it's great. It's good country.
Oh, fuck. Oh, yuck. Let's watch that.
Going in the video.
Intake time.
In tuck.
Now, we thought we only had the intake box, airbox, but it turns out we have all the tubes.
Fuck, it's wet.
It is wet. This guy's got all his hands on. But including that, we've also got like the tubes here. And then if you look at the box, we've got the mass airflow sensor, which I'm really happy about. So it actually should complete it up a bit better, as this guy struggles to put it on.
Right.
My filming helps him put this car together.
Yeah.
And goes this cheeky bastard. Got all this shit from when we jacked it up, which we need to cut off.
Jacked it off.
Jacked it off. This guy's still trying to make a forward thing fit.
Yeah, it's,
Get this in. Taking the ropes off. Since I was putting the distributor in, just gets in the way, so no point keeping it on. We thought we'd have to cut it off, but old mate here has removed it.
Fucking.
Look at that.
Held the fucking Titanic up above the water with this fucking mop rope.
This thing got it down from up there, down there. Unbelievable. But it's off. Distributor's in. This guy's working out the fuse box situation.
Yeah, it's in.
It's in. Clutch fan was going to go on. Usually bolts up to a water pump that sits right there to blow air through the radiator, but we don't have a water pump for this.
That's there as well.
So we're just going to leave the clutch fan out for what it is. Well, this guy takes care of this. And also missing a bit of tubing. But other than that, you know, get in there, get in there.
Got a lot of tools.
The tools in question. The tools we have. You'd think working in the engine bay we would have bought tools, but did we?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did. The tools.
Yeah, the tools.
The tools. Timing.
Timing.
Mate, it's a basic thing, but timing cover makes the car look so much better. The engine.
Yep, that's right.
So you cover all this shit.
That's right. Cover all this shit up. This car's got a lot of shit
to cover up. On the bolt holes, I see.
Yep. Close. Lining up real good.
Oh yeah? Is it?
Yeah, fantastic. Look at that.
Oh, he's in.
Fucking in.
He's in.
Wink. Wink. Wink.
Job done.
Done.
Job done.
Fucking done.
We'll touch it up with the
Can't
thinger.
pick it up. Fucking genuine VL Calais. 40 grand.
As you can see, I've got all this stuff. It's all filthy as.
It's fucking mint, mate.
So when we go over the car, we just get a low
I'll
pressure
never
clean
know
it
the
off.
timing belt's fucked. Actually, no, just the time belt's fucked, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Once you clean it up, no one will
Yeah,
have any
yeah,
clue.
no one will ever know.
Using the Chode 3000 screw. That's all the tools we got.
Yeah, we're not filming. Yeah, this is part of the engine. This is definitely the right bolt for this.
Oh, it's alright. The bolts in question, it's just a lucky dip bolt. Lucky dip
dip,
box of
bro.
bolts.
Lucky dip.
Got the hose gone flat out over there if that's what you can hear in the background.
Fucking flat out. Fucking mint. Assembled like a brand new Mercedes.
Sign it off. Put your signature in. Pan built, put it together.
Oh, it's definitely not where that goes.
Tightening this thing up. What's this called again?
It's not tightening.
It's not tightening.
No, it's loosening.
Why are you loosening it?
Just gonna take it off.
Taking this thing off is what I said.
Yes.
Taking it off so we can put the headlights on.
That's right. Good. Yes.
Yeah, exactly what I said earlier. Vicky headlights.
Yeah.
The headlights are a bit of an outlier to this car.
I know, right?
Yeah. Oh well.
Everything bought new.
Bright spot.
Sorry, no, the whole car's brand new. Straight out the factory.
Yeah, this is exactly how Holden wanted it. Alright, headlight installation.
Good cunt, re.
Is that the way it goes in?
Yep. Fully sick.
This guy's gonna see how it melts up.
Melts up.
Bolts up.
This is fucking mint.
What are you looking for there, buddy?
Some fucking nuts. Bolts.
It's like a monkey.
Fuck off, cunt. No, you fucking...
Bolting the headlights in.
Yes, that's right.
Look how mick they look.
Fucking amazing.
Look how mick this looks.
Sick as. You know, be even better. Had the right fucking thread.
Yeah.
That'd be awesome.
That'd be alright, eh? This guy just really wants to sell a car. If you want to buy this car and you're located in the Melbourne area, please hit me up.
Cock.
Please buy my car. Ask $8.5 grand for this weapon. $8.5 lousy dollars. If you look at it, look at that. Look at the interior, mate. That's what you want to buy. No, don't worry about paying. We'll clean that soon. $8.5 grand. That's all I'm asking. Running a bit out of screws here,
Just a little bit.
but Here goes the headlight in. At least trying to anyway.
I can see why they were 150 bucks.
Yeah, they look great, but we've just learnt why they were $150 off the factory.
Factory floor.
Factory floor.
Drives like a brand new Mercedes Benz.
Well, this guy's got his arm under. Doing the most. Another fantastic Melbourne day. Just can't beat these days. And yes, it did rain before we came. I really hope it doesn't rain again. This guy in his natural habitat, working on a VL. Happy guy. What are you thinking? Give us the verdict.
Fucking mint.
Mint.
Fucking mint.
Mint.
Fucking.
That's all about it. Look at that.
Fucking mint, bro.
Beauty.
Sick. Holy sick.
Oh, finger action.
Fucking mint, bro.
His girlfriend loves him.
That's right.
$2 You know what? The car's a shitbox, but it's amazing what these silver paints can come out like. This was actually gold when it was brand new, but because of the sun, it's now like a silver colour. Yeah, it's not bad. Cleaned up alright. Does the job. Cheeky view on the sun. While I've been gone, this guy's screwed down the fuse box. Got one of the lights in. Here's the other light. Looks tidy with the two lights in. Still got the indicator to do and just like all this shit. Coming along nicely though.
Oh, bird fucking shit on the roof.
Oh, I did it. Ah, look at.
Yeah, nice.
Alright, the final piece of the puzzle for the lights. Just got to put that light cover thing I want. What's it called?
What?
You know what I'm talking about, the thing that goes over the top.
Oh, I don't fucking know what it's properly called. Like something.
Light cover. Screwing the thing in. Don't worry about this. I don't know where it goes. I think it goes somewhere over there, but we'll look at a reference photo. Put all the wiring as well on both sides for the headlights.
Fucking like a brand new Mercedes.
Hand built by Aiden.
Hand built.
Screw it in, and then that's the light's basically done, isn't it?
Junkyard classics.
Junkyard classics. Then we got to get the bumper on, the front bumper here.
It's gonna be interesting.
Yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm missing a few things for it, but should be right. We'll see what happens. The headlights are in, and what a weird sight that is. What do you think, mate?
Fucking headlights, mate.
Obviously the front bumper needs to go on and tidy up a few more things in the engine bay. But after that, you know, that's the front end of the car complete basically. Now we did have this extra airbox situation and we don't know what's going on with the one we have. But it says Ford on it. What's that about? It also came with a Ford badge. That's gonna piss people off. Yes. Maybe it'll start me. Anyway, it's time to go get lunch, I reckon. Brilliant. The Mazda. Oh, starts first time. What? Look at the thing. What's this guy doing?
Not all the way. Like it doesn't line up perfect. Yeah, it's fine.
It just isn't.
What? It just isn't happening.
How is it meant to get screwed in?
There's fucking things that bolt to the side that the bar bolts to.
I will literally zip tie this.
You just.
Alright, so we basically finished it all off. This airbox is for a Ford, not a VL. Don't ask me why. So I just left it in there. Put this little thing in here. You know, the thing to actually open the bonnet, that boot release, that's there. But other than that, you know, we really can't put the front bumper on because the because the shroud isn't there. Shroud, what's it called? I don't know.
The reinforcement.
Yeah, we've got no reinforcement, so we're just gonna put the bumper, leave it with the car. This thing here, the wipers and the horn, you know, we've got nowhere to put it because the backing's not there. So just gonna leave the bay completed. Like if you actually look at the bay itself, you know, it's fairly completed for what it is. It's obviously missing a lot from, but where it started, you know, it's gone a lot better. We're gonna pressure wash all this just to get this dust off. But other than that, it's just about done. So now it's just a case of cleaning it up. And you know, that's about it. That's about as far as this VL bay will go. And that's just all it's worth for us. What do you think, Aiden?
$8,000.
$8 grand, take it or leave it. If you're located in the Melbourne area, you've got a VL in your hands, RB30. I don't know if it's a turbo or not, probably isn't. Comes with the transmission, interior's nice and clean.
There's a turbo in there.
I'll make it turbo, but it won't be attached like the engine to this car.
Yep. Yeah.
Next video, I'm going to clean it up, and I reckon that's about it, and get ready to sell it.